Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exams. So let's start. Our first word is breach, which means breaking a rule or agreement. Next, sustainability, which means ability to continue for a long time. Next, resilience, which means ability to recover quickly from difficulty. Next, coherent, which means clear and logically connected. Next, flaw, a mistake or weakness. Next, assess, which means to judge or evaluate. Next, evacuation, which means moving people away from danger. Next, paradigm, which means a model or example. Next, deploy, which means to send people or equipment for action. Next, scant, which means very little. Next, promenade, which means a public walking place. Next, desilt, which means to remove mud or dirt from water bodies. Next, scramble, to move quickly in a confused way. Next, crumble, to break into small pieces. Next, prosperous, which means rich and successful. Next, embed, which means to fix something deeply. Next, bias, which means unfair preference or opinion. Next, metric, which means a standard for measuring something. Next, struck, which means hit or affected suddenly. And last word, livability, which means how suitable a place is for living. Thank you for learning.